How to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fade in or fade out a video in CapCut application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up your CapCut application in your mobile device. Here, tap on New Project and add your video by selecting it from your gallery. Then tap on Add. So once you're on the editing page, you have to tap on the video at the timeline. Now, once you're here, you can create a fade in and fade out effect for your video using the built-in animation and opacity settings. So for that, tap on the animations here from the bottom of this interface in the menu bar. Tap on animations. So first of all, we will select the in. Here you have to look for the effect that says fade in. Here is the effect that is fade in. Simply apply or tap the fade in effect right here. Now if you want to customize your timing, there is a slider at the bottom of this interface. So from there you can select your preferred timing or the duration. Once done, tap on tick mark. And if you play your video from the beginning, the fade in effect has been applied. Now to apply fade out, you have to navigate at the end of your video. Again, tap on the video in the timeline, tap on animations, and here tap on out. Again, here you have to look for the effect that is fade out. Keep on scrolling and search for fade out. And here you will find an effect as fade out. Simply tap on it. Again, select your preferred time duration from the slider at the bottom of this page. Once done, tap on tick mark. And now if you play your video, the fade out effect has been applied. And in this way, you can easily fade in and fade out a video in CapCut application. Once done, tap on export. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.